Prime Cabinet Secretary and Cabinet Secretary for Foreign and Diaspora Affairs Musalia Mudavadi represented President William Ruto at the 21st Plenary Assembly of the Association of Member Episcopal Conferences in Eastern Africa, held at the Catholic University of Eastern Africa in Nairobi. Mudavadi praised the Assembly's focus on youth mentorship, peace building, and good governance, saying the themes align with efforts to empower young people and strengthen peace and security across the region. He expressed concern over the growing humanitarian crisis caused by conflict, noting that millions of people have been displaced across Eastern Africa, with many children forced out of school.
For purpose of the youth who are listening, I had my own adventure as well. I became minister in the government of Kenya at the age of 28 and a member of parliament at that age. I then became a minister for finance at the age of 33. So I helped shape the economy of this country. For the young people, you can do it. Remain focused, remain disciplined, consult widely, be very careful, because I met a diplomat who said there's one word or one phrase young people never like hearing. And I asked, what phrase is that? And he said, just be a little patient. That simple phrase to the young people, just be a little patient.